2021 Toyota Tacoma with a gray exterior and gray interior, equipped with seating for 5. This has a 3.5 liter V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It also has dual climate control, heated seats, and Bluetooth. If you'd like to book this for a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. And stay tuned, we're going to take a look inside and out and under the hood. This has a 3.5 liter V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's take a look inside. Cup holder and speaker in the door, power windows, locks, and mirrors, manual adjustments on the driver's side seat, and your all-weather floor mats below. Turn the vehicle on here. Located to the left of the steering wheel here, you have your hands-free talk and options for volume controls. On the radio, on the right of the steering wheel here is your options to flip through the dash, see any important messages that pop up. Just below there you have your cruise control options, as well as your parking sensors and your lane detection. Here on the infotainment system, when we put the vehicle in reverse, is your reverse camera. With your menu, you have audio, phone options, apps, projection, and setup. Just below there you have your volume and tune, hazard lights here, dual climate control so you and the passenger can set the climate to your liking, your four-wheel drive options, heated seats, as well as USB charging ports and a 12-volt outlet. Little cubby below there, 2 cup holders, your gear shift, an emergency park brake, and a little cup holder and cubby there. Nice console here with USB charge port and an aux. Your auto dimming rearview mirror up above here, a sunglass holder and lighting. Nice big locking console below with extra storage, and a grab handle to make it easier for getting in. 17-inch wheels, bodied color door handles, privacy glass in the rear, driver's side fuel filler. You have a reverse camera in the rear, as well as trailer tow hitch below. When you open up the box here, nice lined box with tie downs in all 4 corners there. Got a little cubby here for storage. Keep tools or whatever you need. When you're all done, just close it up, lock it up, or walk away, or you can get in and head out on your latest adventure. Cup holder and speaker in the door, power windows. In the rear here you have seating for 3. Just below is your all-weather floor mats, slim pockets on the back of the seats with storage, 2 cup holders for the rear passengers, your lighting up above, as well as a grab handle to make it easier for getting in, and a manual rear sliding window. Reverse camera in the rear, lined box, privacy glass in the rear, power adjustable mirrors, and halogen headlights. If you like this video, please subscribe. We have plenty more to see, and we'd love to hear all of your comments.